Hello, welcome to It's New. We had to get rid of Morty, so he's gone, and now we got rid of Greg.
Am I next? Jesus.
I think Liz Reed might have taken out Greg.
Maybe. That would be funny, actually. Yeah, he really went after Liz on Marketing O'Clock this weekend.
Yeah.
Anyway, great to have you, Christine. What are you talking about today?
We have a long list of reasons to thank Google Ads this week.
And a new?
Yeah, Google Ads is doing well in terms of cart data diagnostics tools. Oh Lord, I'll know how to speak in a minute.
It's all good. It's Monday. And then, of course, since it's Monday, it's search ranking volatility, shook up or shaken up, or how do I even say that? And then Bing Webmaster Tools gave us 24 months of data. If 16 wasn't enough for you. Whenever you are ready, Christine.
Cool. So last week, Google Ads announced a bunch of new PMax features, and Anu has a nice write-up on all of them in Search Engine Land. And some of these are things that kind of came out with that API announcement. So you already covered it last week, like the campaign level negative keywords are out of beta. They're there for PMax. Device targeting is out of beta for PMax. Search themes limits are up from 25 to 50, and there's new age and gender-based demographic targeting options. But then all the way at the bottom was like a total surprise, really welcome surprise for me. They are rolling out a new final URL expansion landing page report with headlines, assets from PMax, auto-generated assets. And it looks just like the one for AI Max, but you can see all those URLs and headlines, and you can also remove them if you no longer want them to run. So I think that's really awesome. Like I've seen things in my AI Max reporting that I want to get rid of. So I hope they bring this to AI Max too, but that was a very welcome, exciting feature.
Yeah, I've never seen you. Very rarely have you seen you that excited on a Marketing O'Clock about a Google Ads feature.
Yeah, it was a surprise. I read it like right before we started recording, so put me in a good mood.
Yeah, that's good. So I'll embed that video at the end, so make sure to catch that. So thank you, Christine. That was a great recap of that. And on to the cart diagnostics.
Yes, so this is another discovery by the wonderful Hannah Kobzova from PPC Newsfeed, who discovered a new Google help page that they're very good at telling us they've done. So they're launching conversions with cart data diagnostics tools, and that means that especially in for three key areas, cart data will always be sent with each purchase conversion, and required product information will be complete, and item IDs match those in the merchant center. So this is just a way of just ensuring that what you're sending to Google, what you're actually saying, what the customer is seeing as the product, and when the product has been purchased, all that information is matched. And this is really great, I think, for SMBs that have all this trying to match customer data with the purchasing. So I think that's a quite cool update.
Yeah, that new there's a new document there. We'll make sure to link to it. Thank you, Hannah, for finding that. Really nice find as always. And then on the Google search ranking volatility, it wouldn't be a show without covering this, obviously. But yeah, it was another heated weekend, although it's been heated since the core update, actually. But this weekend, we saw another blip where a lot of chatter came up in the SEO industry. A lot of people were talking about this. So if you didn't notice some significant ranking volatility over the weekend, you're definitely not alone. It was primarily yesterday on Sunday, so April 10th. But we'll keep an eye on it and obviously keep you posted. And then Bing Webmaster Tools, if you don't have enough data yet, with the 16 months of data that Bing Webmaster Tools gives us in their performance report, now Bing is actually giving us 24 months of data. They actually give us a few new features. We actually covered the filters by device and country last week. I missed that they actually had 24 months of data, which is an update from October 2024 of 16 months of data. And there's this new keyword trend lines at a glance feature, which I don't know how to see. It must be there somewhere. But this was announced by, I'm going to try to pronounce a name, which I'm really hard at pronouncing. I'm really not good at pronouncing names, but Krishna Madhavan from the Bing team. So anyway, definitely take a look at that. Bing is, a lot of people don't use Bing Webmaster Tools, but they really should. It's really a whole treasure trove of information, both from technical SEO stuff and also how you're performing on Bing. Not that we like Bing more, because Bing is just as bad as Google when it comes to lumping together data with AI search features, where they just lump their AI Copilot stuff directly with the Google, directly with their web search results, just like Google does. But that's for another topic.
The SEOs just have to take any win they can get these days.
Yeah.
It's been hard. Any event, thanks so much for being with us today. We're back tomorrow with more It's New. I know it was very short, but we get to the point here, unlike some other people.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.